Hey beauties, I'm just popping in here really quick just to give a big shout out to Sarah's underscore outlines. She created my intro that you guys just saw and I am in love with it. So if you guys are looking for an edit or even an intro for your own channel that you're trying to start, go ahead and just look her up and message her. She did an amazing job. But yeah, I will let you guys get back to the video now. Okay guys, I'm back. First off, excuse my nails if you see them because we were having a little tie-dye project yesterday, so I have paint all over my fingers that doesn't want to come off. Today's makeup look, I'm not sure what I want to do. I know I want to kind of play around with pink, orange, and yellow. Obviously by the title and the opening you already know, but I have no idea what I'm going to create today, and also I'm going to try to do a talk through. I don't know how well that's gonna go because my son's right here right now, so we'll see how quiet I can keep the background noise, but if not, then I might just end up talking throughout the video. So I'm going to start off by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tip Brow, and it's going to be in the shade Granite. I kind of just feather out my eyebrows first, and then I take the pomade. I take a very little bit at a time, and I start with the underbrow, and then I just kind of blend it out and just create the shape that I want. I don't take too much product just because I don't want the color to be very harsh. Next, I'm just going to be using this Clean and Clear Duo Protection as my moisturizer, and honestly I've just been using this forever and it's what works for me. And after that, I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime and just apply that all over your face. To kind of shape and clean up my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal, and this is in the shade Light. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking the P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5, and I have been loving this, you guys. So if you haven't tried the P. Louise bases, I suggest you pick one up and try it out. be using the Atrevida palette. This is just from a makeup store that from where I live called Makeup Depot, and I'm just taking this yellow color and I'm going to be applying it to the inner corner of my eyelid. Taking the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking the color B and just applying on top just to intensify the yellow a little bit more, just because it was a little too light for me. Then I'm going to be taking the orange, which is called 518, and I'm going to be applying that towards the center, but kind of placing it over the yellow a little bit just to blend it. And you're just going to blend it out a little bit towards the center of the lid. Taking that like pink coral color, and I'm just gonna softly blend it over top of the yellow and orange just to diffuse the two colors. I'm not gonna really blend it below the crease, just kind of above it, just to blend everything out and make it nice and smooth. Then I'm going to be taking this purple and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going to pack it on and then kind of blend it towards where we have the orange. Right here, I'm just kind of blending everything together because since we did use quite a couple colors, you want to just make sure all your colors blend in really nicely and there's no harsh lines. Right here, I'm just taking the yellow again, just because I kind of did lose a little bit of the color and I kind of want to intensify it a little bit more. So if you're ever working with light colors, just go ahead towards the end and just kind of blend everything out and you will get that color back. Right here, I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I just use the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows. Sometimes I like to use a lighter one, but this is just the one that I ended up using. I'm not the best at it right now, but I mean, I like to go a little bit above my my crease just because I kind of have hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes, always go a little bit above your crease, because if not, when you close your eye, it's gonna kind of defeat the purpose of cutting your crease.
Hi.
Now I'm going to be using this pink glitter and applying that to where you did your cut crease. I kind of messed up a little bit and forgot to use a glitter primer. So if you have a glitter primer, it's always good to use that just so the glitter will stick a little bit better. Just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up all of the fallout because that first palette does have quite a bit of fallout and the glitter as well, so I'm just gonna clean that up. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Derma Blend in the shade 25N, and I'm just taking my makeup brush from Jeffree Star and just blending that on my face. For my concealer, I'm using two of them. The first one is from Morphe Cosmetics and it's in the shade C1.65, and then the lighter one I just kind of apply in the center, and it's from Jeffree Star and it's going to be in the shade C11, and I'm just going to take a makeup sponge to blend that out. To set the concealer, I'm just going to be using the Wet n Wild translucent powder. Honestly, I've been using this forever and it is a great affordable translucent powder just to set your makeup, your foundation, your concealer, anything. To contour and bronze my face, I'm taking this bronzer from MAC and it's called Blunt. It looks very, very harsh, but once you blend it out, it will look really good. For blush, I'm going to be using the one from Too Faced, Love Flush, the Love Hangover. I'm going to be using the mascara from L'Oreal called the Luminous Carbon Black. This is one of my favorites. Right here, I'm just taking those same colors and I'm going to be applying it not on top of the waterline but right underneath it and just kind of blend everything out. mascara to my bottom lashes. Lashes, I used Morphe in the style Glambassador, and for highlight I used the Balm Marie Luminizer, and you're just gonna apply that to your cheekbone. For my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear in Dear Diary, and it was a little too hot pink for me, not what I was really going for, so I decided to apply the 714 from Jeffree Star Cosmetics on top and just kind of blend that out. That is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any requests on certain looks you want me to do, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.